Okay. Took me 3 seconds to stop chewing that, but I haven't given up. My allergies, sorry. I realized that you're supposed to do this in Iron Man, and I pretty much failed, but I think if I, finish the onion, I'm awesome. Oh man, there's still some more plastic on it. Why is this onion so big? Hold on. Ow! Ah! Stepped on Lego. Worst pain in the world. Well, that's it. I give up. No more onion challenge. No more! Please. I failed you, Mr. Onion. I failed, but still very hard to get this far. Bye.